Whether you need to replace an old toilet seat or tighten up a loose one, this video will walk you through the process. To replace your toilet seat, you first need to measure the existing one to make sure you buy the right size. Also note whether the seat is round or elongated. When shopping, all of this information will be clearly displayed on the box. Remove the old toilet seat. Most seats have locking caps or hinges that conceal the mounting hardware, so the first step is to remove or unlock these. You are then able to remove the seat from the mounting bolts. Use a screwdriver to loosen and remove these bolts. Now is a good time to clean the area. Next, install the new mounting bolts, making sure they are tight. You are now able to attach the new seat by pressing the hinges onto the bolts. Just lock the hinges and you are done. If you just need to tighten a loose toilet seat, the process is similar. Unlock the hinges and remove the toilet seat. Use a screwdriver to tighten the mounting bolts. Then simply reattach the toilet seat and lock the hinges.